Unlock the secret weapon for your spreadsheets as we supercharge Google Sheets with the analytical power of Google Bard. First, craft your prompt directly in Bard. Make it specific. For example, if you want a formula to calculate total sales, tell Bard exactly what your columns are labeled and what you want to calculate. In Bard, type something like in a Google Sheet, I have a column named quantity and a column named price. Give me the Google Sheet formula to calculate the total sales. Press enter and let Bard do its magic. Bard will generate the exact formula needed. Simply copy the generated formula to your clipboard. Head back to your Google Sheet, paste the formula into the desired cell, and let Google Sheets work its magic. Now, apply this dynamic formula to every row of your sheet by dragging down the small square in the lower right corner of the cell. Bard doesn't stop at formulas, it can also summarize data. Ask Bard to summarize the total sales for each region from this Google Sheet. Paste a snippet of your sheet's data into the prompt to give Bard context about that sheet. It can generate insights on your data. Those insights can then be added to your sheet as a set of data. You can also ask Bard to generate dynamic content based on your data, like product descriptions, which could then be used for marketing. From automating complex calculations to creating summaries and engaging content, integrating Google Bard with Google Sheets will turn you into a spreadsheet superhero. Elevate your data game today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered tips.